choosing the right inner tube can significantly affect your cycling experience. While often overshadowed by tires, inner tubes play a crucial role in determining the comfort, speed, and durability of your ride. In this video, we'll review the top 3 best bike inner tubes, comparing their durability, design, and compatibility with different best bike inner tubes. By the end, you'll know exactly which best bike inner tubes is best for your needs. Link in description box below. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. Number 1. AR Pro Bike Inner Tubes. The AR Pro Bike Inner Tubes are a premium quality replacement option designed for dirt bikes with 14-inch outer diameter tires, 10-inch rims, and 2.5-2.75-inch widths. Perfectly compatible with popular models like Honda CRF 50/XR50, Yamaha PW50/TTR50, Suzuki DRZ 70/JR50, Razor MX 650/X500, Coolster QG 210/QG 213A, and Baja Dirt Runner 49. These tubes are built for reliability and durability. Made from 2 mm thick, heavy-duty butyl rubber, they provide superior shock absorption and puncture resistance, reducing the risk of explosive flats even in extreme riding conditions. Their self-sealing properties ensure consistent air retention and a smoother ride over rough terrain. Ideal for both front and rear tires, these inner tubes deliver maximum impact damping, enhancing comfort and control whether on or off-road. Backed by a US-based customer support team, AR Pro guarantees excellent product performance and service, making these inner tubes a dependable choice for dirt bike enthusiasts seeking safety and long-lasting quality. Number 2. PIVOTRAX Bike Inner Tubes. The PIVOTRAX Bike Inner Tubes are built for serious riders who demand durability, performance, and reliability on every terrain. Constructed from 2 mm thick premium butyl rubber, these tubes provide exceptional shock absorption, easily handling bumps, jumps, and rough off-road conditions. Their puncture-resistant design minimizes flats and blowouts, ensuring consistent safety and confidence during motocross, enduro, or e-bike rides. Specially engineered for electric dirt bikes, they fit 3.00 to 19 mx tires perfectly, making them compatible with popular models like the Sur-Ron Lite BX, Ultra B, Talaria Sting, and Segway X260. The reinforced TR4 metal valve stem offers superior strength, leak prevention, and resistance to bending under high pressure, ideal for frequent tire changes and high-performance use. Whether tackling trails, racing tracks, or long off-road adventures, these PIVOTRAX inner tubes deliver stable air retention, reliable control, and long-lasting performance, making them the perfect companion for riders pushing limits in any environment. Number 3. YunSCM Bike Inner Tubes. The YunSCM Bike Inner Tubes are a premium choice for cyclists seeking durability, comfort, and reliability on every ride. Designed to fit 700x25/34C tires with a 60 mm Presta valve, these heavy-duty tubes are made from high-quality butyl and EPDM rubber, offering exceptional air tightness and puncture resistance. Their 40% increased thickness ensures air retention up to 6 to 9 months, minimizing the need for frequent inflation and enhancing safety with stable tire pressure. The superior shock absorption reduces vibration and road impact, providing a smoother, more comfortable ride on any surface. Ideal for road bikes, mountain bikes, cruisers, and e-bikes, these tubes are built to handle heavier loads and longer distances without compromising performance. Easy to install and ultra-durable, the YunSCM inner tubes deliver outstanding value and long-lasting performance, perfect for riders who demand dependable quality and fewer maintenance worries on their cycling adventures. Thanks for watching the video.